Sumitra Bhave's Dithi delights you with a soulful tale of mourning and celebration all at once. Dithi is a film about death. Quite suddenly, though it turns into a picture about life, about the myriad glories of its very existence. Kishore Kadam's portrayal of Ramji, who manages to arrive at a state of acceptance and compassion, is at the heart of the film. A devastated father trying to make sense of the untimely death of his son is the opening for the many questions that plague us as we go through life. Questions about faith and belief, truth and myth, memory and remembrance. Dithi, which means seeing, is Sumitra Bhave's last film and is almost like a compendium of the big themes that her films touched upon, especially those that she co-directed with Sunil Sukhtankar. Kadam plays Ramji, a skilled cow whisperer who is struggling with the fact of his 30 years of pilgrimage and the tragedy that has befallen him. How he cries out, did his beloved Lord Vitthal allow this to happen? The son, who was swept away by the swift currents of a river, was young. Ramji is advancing towards old age. His eyes rest upon his grief-struck daughter-in-law Anjali Patil and the newborn girl in her lap, and he cannot bear it. He wants his son back. The constantly falling rain is both physical and metamorphical, a flowing and cleansing of anger and sadness. Ramji's old friends and neighbors gather together to comment on the tragedy, the weather, the perilous state of a cow who is about to give birth. The trio Mohan Agashe, Girish Kulkarni, Dilip Prabhavalkar functions almost like a Greek chorus in a tiny Maharashtra village, providing a layer of meaning to the endless cycle of life and death. Agashe delivers a lovely line about the fickleness and porousness of memory. Otherwise, the grief of a ripped kite from childhood would have affected us for our entire life. The parallel that the film draws between the cow's deliverance of a female calf and the acceptance of the baby girl is predictable, yet moving. We know that finally it will be Ramji who helps the painfully lowing animal to deliver and will find deliverance of his own. We also know that Subhash, despite being aware of the pain Ramji is going through, will reach out to him. She, the owner of the cow, knows about empathy and knows exactly who can help. Kadam's portrayal of Ramji, who manages to arrive at a state of acceptance and compassion, is at the heart of Dithi, which says if the seeing is clear, you can see both here and beyond. Otherwise, it's all dark elsewhere. Aren't we all looking for salvation right now? As we grapple with the pandemic, experiencing other people's grief as well as ours, the film feels timely. In Marathi cinema, Sumitra Bhave is known for Doghi, Dahavi, Fa Vastu Purush, Devrai, Astu and Kasaf, all of which she co-wrote and co-directed with Sunil Sukhtankar. Dithi stars Amrita Subhash, who rose prominence with Vihir, Killa, Gully Boy and the second season of Sacred Games in the lead role. Dithi was rated 3.5 out of 5 on First Post and 7.6 on IMDb. Dithi is currently premiering on Sony Live. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for latest updates.